for our opening address on leveraging digital transformation through Indonesia's AI national strategy. We're joined by Asril Jarin, the Center for Artificial Intelligence Innovation, Agency of Assessment and Application of Technology, BPPT, Government Indonesia. Well, Asril is a senior engineer at the Information and Technology Center of the Agency for the Assessment and Application of the Technology, BPPT. He's somebody who's received a BSc degree in electrical engineering from the George Simon Owen University and an MSc degree from the Darmstadt University, respectively. He's somebody who, during his time at BPPT, has been involved in various research work and developing ICT innovations, particularly in the field of artificial intelligence based on NLP, such as automatic meeting transcription, speech-to-speech translation, and chatbot platform applications that utilize NLU. Currently, he's assigned as the head of BPPT as one of the coordinators of the Center of Artificial Intelligence Innovation. Well, thank you so much, Mr. Jarin, for giving us your valuable time. With this, we present to you on the stage and screen. Over to you.
Thank you, moderator. May I share my screen?
Yes, please.
So, good morning, everyone. Thank you, moderator and committee, for inviting me to attend this event. First of all, I would like to say that today, BPPT is holding a national working meeting, what we call Rakernas, Rencana Kerja Nasional, because of that, the head of BPPT is unable to attend this event. And in fact, I just got the disposition yesterday afternoon, and I was only able to respond to the committee last night. Therefore, I apologize if later there are some deficiencies in my presentation. Introducing, I am Asril Jarin. I was appointed by the head of BPPT this year to be one of the coordinators of the Artificial Intelligence Innovation Center formed by BPPT. This center aims to bridge an organization that will orchestrate the quad helix collaboration in research and development of industrial innovation in the field of artificial intelligence, as in national strategy proposed. Apart from myself, there are two other coordinators representing industry and community, respectively. If you want to know more detail about Indonesia's AI national strategy, please visit the link on the slide beside the title. So this morning, on behalf of the head of BPPT, I am going to present a topic about leveraging digital transformation through Indonesia's AI national strategy. Currently, we have entered into the digital era where everything has been recorded and stored digitally. Without realizing it, we already have entered 5 stages of society: hunting, farming, industry, information, and now we are at the stage of a society that lives in a digital era, what we call Society 5.0. All information about our activities are stored in cyberspace, and it can be processed and used for ourselves. Therefore, who can process digital information in this virtual world, then they will become frontliners in this era. As can be seen in the picture, Society 5.0 is supported by 4 advanced technologies, namely IoT, AI, Big Data, and 5G. Now, because all information has been recorded and stored digitally, we can easily produce big data. Big data is built up from all our processes in the digital world, namely transaction, interactions, and observation that we do all the time. Transaction data from e-commerce and online store, interaction data from social media, and observation data from IoT, which consists of sensors, CCTV, satellites, and so on. Therefore, the digital era is often called the AI and big data era. Why? Because whoever can manage or capitalize the data well, then they will get a big profit. They become frontliners in this era. In addition, data is today's oil, expensive and valuable. because it is useful for modeling a wide variety of artificial intelligence innovations. Data helps businesses, organizations, and governments to create future opportunities and improve existing process. According to digitaltransformationbook.com, there are 3 reasons why every organization or institution must do digital transformation. First, to survive. Second, to become efficient. And third, to attract talent. So, what we need to transform in this digital era? There are 7 layers of digital transformation: citizen experience, culture, business model, organization, process, leadership and capabilities, and the last one, infrastructure. And to know where we start this digital transformation, the answer, we must indicate where we are hardmost and tackle that one first. According to February 2020 data, there are already 50 countries that have prepared national strategies for artificial intelligence. Which are basically in order to answer the opportunities and challenges of the digital era and Industry 4.0. AI will help a country's digital transformation process in realizing its vision and missions, namely to realize Society 5.0, which is called Smart Society. However, each country has its own focus. For example, USA and China research, USA and China research and use of AI has more focus on defense and security. USA, this country is more developing AI for the creation of robots, while China is strengthening its surveillance technology by installing millions of CCTV everywhere. So how about Indonesia? Indonesia, initiated by BPPT, invited Quad Helix to jointly develop a national strategy for artificial intelligence. This national strategy was launched on August 10th, 2020, namely National Technology Awakening Day, Hari Kebangkitan Teknologi Nasional, by the Minister of Research and Technology, head of National Agency for Research and Innovation, and witnessed by Vice President of the Republic of Indonesia. So there are 4 missions defined in the national strategy in development and utilization of AI. The 4 missions are attached to the 4 focus areas, namely ethics and policy, creating an ethical artificial intelligence in accordance with Pancasila values, talent development, preparing artificial intelligence talents that are competitive and have character, infrastructure and data, creating a data and infrastructure ecosystem that supports the contribution of artificial intelligence to the benefits of the country, and industrial research and innovation, growing a collaborative ecosystem for research and innovation in artificial intelligence to accelerate reform of the bureaucracy and leading national industries. All of these focus areas and 5 priority areas for artificial intelligence innovation: healthcare, bureaucracy reformation, education and research, and what it is? I forgot this. Mobility and smart cities. So are compiled into a national strategy framework for the acceleration of the implementation of artificial intelligence in order to embody Indonesia's 2045 vision, namely a sovereign, advanced, just, and prosperous Indonesia. Finally, I try to believe that the successful implementation of national strategy will be able to help the digital transformation in Indonesia in all sectors, both public and private or industry. So, that is also leads Indonesia to a smart society, or what we call Society 5.0. That's it for me. I hope this presentation can be a good opening and introduction to our today's event. I beg apologize for the shortcomings. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Mr. Jarin, for giving us your valuable time and being a part of the World AI Show Jakarta. We really value you joining us today.